Hey y'all, how do you like my hat? Oh gosh, the things I do to make you guys laugh. Hope you're having a great time. I miss you guys like always. We are on our second lesson for this week, so let's get started. Our essential question is, what can you see in the sky? What can you see in the sky? Oral vocabulary words, observe, to watch carefully. I can observe what the birds do in the bird bath. Vast, very large. We sailed the vast ocean. Certain, you are sure it is true. Juan is certain that he will have fun at the fair. Fair sounds fun. Remained, stayed the same or stayed in place. That's what we're doing. Staying in place. The kite got stuck in the tree and it remained there until the wind blew it down. Thoughtful, kind, and thinks about how others feel. Kayla was thoughtful when she baked her grandmother bread. How can you be certain of how long something is? So measure it, I guess. Time it, measure it. How can a telescope help you observe the stars at night? Do you have a telescope? We have one. It really helps you get up close to those stars at night. Do you want to grow up or remain small? Why? Do you want to grow up or remain small? What might be a thoughtful gift for a friend who is sick? What might be thoughtful? Stuffed animal? Flowers? Balloon, maybe? Which is more vast, a swimming pool or the ocean? Remember, vast means which one is enormous. I'd say an ocean, definitely. Okay, here's our phonics. This week we're working on that bossy R again. Blend the words. Term, firm. If something is firm, it's not soft, it's hard. Firm. Surf, surf. Have you ever been surfing? Work. Thirst. Chirp. Fern. Burn. Worm. Sir. Worse. Skirt. Hurl. Birth. Girl. Word. Turn. Stir. Church. Now let's build the words. Germ. Make sure you're washing your hands. Don't have germs. Change the G to T. Term. Change T to P. Perm. Make sure they're really curly. Perm. Sorry, change the to K. Perk. Now change P to J. Jerk. Now change J to Clerk. Now we're going with curl. Curl. Now change K to H. Hurl. Throw something. Hurl it across the room. Now change ol to T. Hurt. Now let's start with a new word. Skirt. Now we're changing to just it. Skit. Now change the sk to just it. Sit. Now change to it. Bit. Now change t to bid. Now change it to bird. Now change b to third. Now change the d to. Oh, that was the last one. I was like, that doesn't make any sense. That was the other one. Let's start with a new word. Oh, the next word is word. It didn't make any sense at all. Word. I must have made a mistake. Sorry about that. Okay, structural analysis. Inflected endings Ending can be added to some words to make new words. Adding to a verb or action word changes the verb to a noun or a naming word. So, a verb would be teach. If you're going to teach someone something, that is an action, teach. But a noun would be teacher, teacher. You're going to work, or you're going to work in your garden. You're going to work on your homework. But if you add an ER to the end, that becomes worker. That person is a hard worker, a noun. Learn, that's definitely a verb. Action, you have to try hard to learn. But you all are learners. You are learners. Farm, a farm is a noun. That's somewhere you go, a farm. But a person is a farmer, also a noun. Fight, if you get into a fight with someone, that is definitely a verb. It's an action word. Verb, action word, fight. But a person who gets into a fight is called a fighter. You, I hope you're doing this every day, read. I hope you're reading every day, but this makes you a reader. Oh gosh. Let's go through our spelling words. Her, can't see that. Her name is Fern. Her. The bird is eating a worm. Bird. The dog's fur has 2 colors of brown. Fur. Mom is cleaning the dirt out of the carpet. Dirt. A fern is a green plant. Fern. The man is working on the door. And this should just be work. Work. The barn is red. Barn. His arm has muscles. Arm. The boy will climb the ladder. Climb. I will walk through the door. Through. Okay, let's see if it'll let me do the spelling sort. Sometimes it's iffy. I'm going to enable some. Alright, let's see if it'll work now. So we're going to categorize E-R, I-R, U-R, or O-R. So her, where would that belong? Let me do it. Nope. Okay, her would belong. Let's see if I can move it, maybe. Nope. Okay. Her would be an E-R, Bird would be an I-R, bird. U-R, dirt. I-R, work. O-R, and fern. E-R. Okay, high frequency words. Let's say each word 5 times. Another, 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 another. Climb, 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 climb. Full, 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 full. Great, 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 great. Pour, 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 pour. Through, 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 through. Here's some other vocabulary words. Trouble. Doing something you have problems doing. So this is different than getting in trouble. I had some trouble learning to ride my bike. Whole. Doing, sorry. Hold on, there we go. Whole. Complete. None of it is missing. Leaped. Made a big jump. The dog leaped in the air to catch the ball. Stretch. Have extended a body part. The girl stretched her arms and legs before playing basketball. Complete each sentence with a vocabulary word. He ate the blank pie. Would you say trouble, whole, leaped, or stretched? Whole. You could do the whole pie, could you? The cat blank up on top of the box. Would you say trouble? We already used whole, leaped, or stretched. You would say leaped. The cat leaped up on top of the box. Jim blank out his arm to reach the top shelf. So what we have left is trouble or stretch. So obviously stretch. Jim stretched his arm to reach the top shelf. And then last but not least, Beth had no trouble taking care of the good dog. So she didn't have any problems. Trouble. Grammar, adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Remember, a noun is a person, place, animal, or thing that a sentence is about. And an adjective tells about that noun. So it could be the color of the noun, the size of the noun, or the shape of the noun. It also could tell you how things look, how things sound, how things feel, how things smell, or how things taste. Identify the adjectives in each sentence, and it's already circled for you. I wish it wasn't. I took off my wet socks and put them in the town basket. So here we have wet, that describes the socks, and tan, which describes the basket. Can you climb to the top of the high cliff? So that tells us what kind of cliff? Well, it's high. It's high. I hate heights. I would never climb up there. No. Curtis got 3 stars on his math homework. So how many stars? 3. So that's a number adjective. Can you put the blue sheets on the bed? So a color is also an adjective. So blue describes the sheets. Carly made a round shape from clay. So the shape is round, and that's an adjective. Friday was a rainy day. What kind of day was Friday? Oh, it was rainy. That described it. Okay, let's talk about the capitalization and end marks. The word I, proper nouns in every sentence, begins with a capital letter. Sentences must end with a punctuation mark, exclamation mark, question mark, or a period. So fix each sentence. Look, Lily got her curls cut off. So look with a capital. Lily with a capital, because that's her name, got her curls cut off. And it's kind of like, shocker. So we give that an exclamation mark. Okay, that's the end of our lesson for today. Have a great day.